Alright, so this is my first video on the Phoenix Delta. This is the one that I have just recently made. So if you don't know, the Phoenix Delta is a design by Rollon 3D. He definitely made the Delta super popular with Klipper, at least in terms of this machine. And yeah, this is my build. So right now what I'm running, I'll talk about the frame first. It uses 800 millimeter extrusions for the height, and then it's 400 millimeter extrusions across on all of those beams. I am running these Hayden Huntley arms, Magball arms, which are really good. I've got a Smart effector, Duet Smart effector, and I've got dual 50-15 blower fans on there, as well as a 40-10 fan cooling the heat break. And I've also got a CHC Pro hot end on there, so pretty high flow. It goes fast, heats up in a matter of seconds. It's great. This is a 24 volt system, and as you can see, I'm running Klipper on it. I use an SKR Pico, which was like 26 bucks. It's great, super quiet. I'm running Klipper screen with an old Android phone. This is a Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, and it's pretty responsive. I like it. It's a big screen. It's like free. It's the best way to put a screen on there. I'm running a Bowden Titan extruder, which is great. It works well. I'm actually printing a Rollo Cube right here. And yeah, what's great about this Smart effector is you can have probing, bed probing, that's super accurate, but you don't need to attach like a physical probe to it. It just uses the piezoelectric sensor in it. So it senses the flex, how much the nozzle presses against the bed. This is a 310 millimeter diameter bed. It's glass, and it works really well. I use glue stick for it because I don't have it heated yet, but everything sticks really nicely to it. This is PLA Plus by Overture, and it prints really nicely. I'm printing at 220 degrees Celsius, and yeah. Some main differences that I have from Rollon's first design is, of course, this is a little bit shorter. He had a problem where the extrusions were so tall they would actually bend a little bit when he was printing fast. So I've got 200 millimeters shorter, and it works pretty good. Also, he uses linear guide rails. I'm just using these rollers, which are really good. They have zero flex, they're solid, they're aluminum, so they're also pretty lightweight. And also, he doesn't use the Delta Smart effector. I don't know why he doesn't. It's great, I love it. Yeah, this is it. It prints really nicely, like really nicely. I print at 200 millimeters per second right now. Movements are even faster. I want to say like 3 or 4K XL. You can't really go too high with these like heavy of a Delta on there. Those arms are pretty heavy. So it's decently quick. I like it. I'm printing this at 0.25 millimeters right now. Looks pretty good. And also I designed these dust protectors on the sides here. Just makes it look nicer, keeps all the wiring out of the way. Got these bed clips as well. So yeah, this is my Phoenix Delta. I'm really happy with it. I would highly recommend you guys building it if you want one. In total, I think it cost me like, I want to say $350, so it's super inexpensive. You can get it even cheaper. In terms of the arms, I was originally going to go with these like $12 arms for a pack of 6. They come with the fisheye connectors too. But I ended up, someone gave me these Magball arms, so they are super duper nice. But yeah, overall, I am super duper happy with this. Yeah, that is Phoenix Delta for you.